Yo, what's up? It's Mr. 300 here, man. Thanks for coming and watching this video, man. Checking in. Hope you guys having a great day. Hope you guys having a great weekend. It's Saturday where I'm at, but let's get right into it. This video is going to be about how to buy your first website, how to buy your first domain. Everybody needs a website. If you're trying to do anything online, if you're trying to flip clothes, if you're trying to create a brand, if you're trying to do affiliate marketing, if you're trying to provide any type of service to people on the internet, you need a place where everybody can come and they can, see everything that you have to offer. Back in the day, it was a regular brick and mortar location where you had to get funding, a loan, zoned, you had to have all type of permits, you had to have like a infrastructure set up to actually create this. Where now online, you can just go to places like Namecheap and buy your domain. Your domain is basically the address of your website. So I know everybody thinks like, well, not everybody, but a lot of people think there's a long drawn out process of actually owning a website. You have to be some type of guru. You have to have, a crazy investment, but that's not the case. You can just go to places like Namecheap and you can actually buy your domain. So you just figure out what your www dot whatever is going to be, and you go to Namecheap and you buy it. So this is going to be the video. I'm going to try to create a series of how to actually bring your whole website to fruition, but this is going to be the first step, just purchasing your domain. And you can get a domain for under $10. You can get it from, $2, $3 if you don't care about the, .com, .edu, .org, .dev, .money. If you just want a regular anything, you can get them for super cheap. And this is for the whole year, but I'm going for a .com because those are just a little bit more reputable. And during this video, I'm actually buying the website. So if you guys are looking and trying to copy and take my, little address or whatever, it's not going to work because I already purchased it. This video that I'm doing now, I'm probably not going to release it for a couple of days so I get everything situated and finalized. But this is basically the first video of many on how to create a website. This is going to be the first episode of how to buy your first domain, how to buy your first website. So anyway, man, let's get right into it. I've already tried to record this like 10 times, but I couldn't get it right, but hopefully this gets everything going correctly. But anyway, man, let's get right into it. The website that I'm going to purchase, the name is going to be, I can't type, the Online Money Bible. Now, don't try to go buy this site after this because, like I said, I'm doing this officially now. Like, you guys will see when I have to cut out my, credit card information or whatever. But I'm actually buying this site, right now during this video because it's just something that, I was thinking about doing, and you might as well just jump right into it. Like, it's, like I said, $9 a month, $9 a year for the website to actually have that address, and wherever you host it, and actually build your site, that's an additional cost. But the first thing you have to do is buy your address. You have to buy, your plot of land, so, and let's go right to it. Let me see. All these are different options. You can do the money, the .money. You can do the .net, .org, .dev. There's plenty of these, and they have some cheap ones. I think I saw one earlier in here for like $1 or something. It was actually cheaper than the one listed. Yeah. See, look at it. $1.38. This is .xyz. Like extremely cheap, and this is yours for a whole year. It's crazy. But the problem is with all these other cheaper, extensions, domains is, it's not really respected. Like if you give somebody your address and you say, oh yeah, blah, 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 .money or blah, 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 .org or .best. I know there's reasons why you would have these, but .com is always king. Like that's the most reputable. That's the one that seems the most valid. So I'm definitely going to go with the .com, so I'm going to tell you why, like this Namecheap is actually, I probably should tell you about that. Namecheap is actually where you buy your domain, which is, like I said, the actual address of your website, and there's other services out there. There's like GoDaddy, there's I forget another one, but the cool thing about Namecheap is, see, I bought it for like $8.88 or whatever. The cool thing about Namecheap is it automatically comes with WhoisGuard. WhoisGuard is basically a service that actually like hides your address. If somebody tries to look up your website, like the owner of the site, this actually hides your information, and they give you this for free. Where a lot of other services, like I said, the GoDaddies, and I forget another popular one, they actually charge you. It's like a $5 a month charge to actually hide your information. I think it should be free. I think it should be something that just automatically comes with it, but I don't know, man. I don't know how it works. I don't know why they can charge and why, others don't, but Namecheap gives it for free, so I might as well go with Namecheap. So that's why every time I buy a website, I'm buying it from Namecheap. All right, so it's 9:06 for the year, confirm order, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna hide all this information before, so you guys can't really see it. So, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, and there we have it, man. We actually bought the website. So this is just the first step. Like, I gotta blank out all this other information, so if it's blurry on the screen, that's why it has my address and name and sensitive information on it. But we bought the website. We actually have our domain. We have our address online. So this is just the first step. We have multiple steps to do after this. We have to create the website. We have to find hosting for it. We have to, add graphics. We have to add the information. But this is the very first step. Anybody who, if you go to any website, this is the first step that they have to do. They have to buy the name. They have to buy the address. And you can see how easy this process is. So never get intimidated. Never think that you can't do this. You can't, you gotta have all type of information and understanding and backing and knowledge and experience in creating websites. You don't. The first step is buying the domain. Every single person who has a website now, this is the first step, and there's going to be more videos to come. I just wanted to prove that this is a very easy process, and I actually wanted to build a site online where everybody can see. So, you can see that it's not some crazy intimidating feature, or feat. It's just something that anybody can do. If you have a couple of dollars, you have a credit card, you have a computer, you have an idea, you can spark that idea and create it, So this is just the first step. Hope you guys having a good day. Hope you guys got some understanding on the process of doing this. There's more videos to come. I'm gonna create a whole website. I got a whole plan. I already got the information that I'm gonna add to this website. So you guys wanna go to the Money Bible online, or the onlinemoneybible.com. That's the website that I'm going to use. I'm going to try to write all my information there. So anyway, this is Mr. 300 checking out. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below. Please like all that. My phone is ringing. I'm going to hang it up. But anyway, let's go. Peace.